Hey guys, welcome to the desert. Today I'm sharing the Modwell dry flush toilet. This is a portable, compactable toilet that seals in a biodegradable bag, needs no water. It's very cool, very handy for living on the road. With this fridge, I've tested the setup, compact sealing, stability, and storage to see how well it fits with real off-grid living. This system, it folds down, it works on a rechargeable battery. It uses proprietary refill cartridges. These guys with these biodegradable bags that you install. I'll walk you through the whole install process. It automatically twists, then heat seals after each use. You don't need any water or chemicals required to use this thing. Quality, this is super solid quality product. It's actually super sturdy too. This is a perfect emergency toilet or, daily use toilet that you can have in your van. I did a few things wrong when testing this thing out, so I'm gonna tell you exactly what happened and how to do it right the first time so you don't have a mess. I would also do a test run before using it just to make sure everything is working right so that you don't make a mess in your RV, which is what I did. I was doing a test run and it did not work out. All right, here's the toilet. It's got this nice lid. These legs fold up and it compacts like this. And then on the back, my table's on like a wobbly surface. On the back, you've got your input, your power button. When you turn this on, you want to hold down the power button just for a second. It powers on, it tells you how much battery you have and how many flushes you have left. So you turn it on. I'm gonna add a few products just to show how this thing works. I'm actually gonna add my pouring glaze to it. One of these coagulating deodorizing things. This looks kind of like salt when you take it out, but it's actually turns into these silicone balls that soak up all of the liquid. When you have this biodegradable bag of waste, it's not loose liquid hanging out in there. It's all absorbed. I've thrown in my paint. I'm gonna put in this salt looking stuff, pour in some of my tea, which actually is a nice yellow color to it. It was like, I think it was a lemon ginger tea. All right, so I've dropped it all down in there. You have about 100 seconds before it finishes. Here's your bag under there. And then it just heat seals it and you're ready to rock. If you see, it comes out with like a nice seal on it. It's not dripping anywhere. Here's your bag. The problem with the install is you want to get the bags in their level, because if not, then it will heat them unevenly. It might not seal, so you might have to pull it down a little bit and let it seal again before you use it. You want to make sure that it's got a nice seal on it and it's not going anywhere before you try to use it, so that fluids don't come out. I would definitely do a test run because there is a little bit of a learning curve there. Once it starts working, it is perfect. I'm going to show you. This is just ginger tea in here. Salt mixture is actually, I guess, silicone or something. It's soaking up. This actually smells delicious because it was my tea. Yeah, there's no liquid in here anymore. It's all got my paint out. Oh, I made a huge mess. Gosh, this smells so good. It's lemon ginger tea. There's no liquid in here at all, which is so amazing. It's literally just silicone. The mistake I made when doing the install was I didn't have the bags coming down equally, and so it kind of like sealed wonky and it leaked, and these little silicone balls got all over my camper, and I had to like pull it down straight again and then let it reseal and then test it one more time. So this is a super solid toilet for if you don't want to install a toilet, you just want something easy and it looks nice, it's high quality, it's rechargeable. You just pull it out, throw some salt in there and use it. I'm really excited about this product. At 17 pounds, it's compactable. Like, this is a no-brainer. So I've got a link below if you want to go ahead and order the Modwell dry flush toilet. Highly recommend. This is a really cool setup. No mess. Perfect. Here you go. There's the bottom of it. Oh,